Are you looking for a legit crypto airdrop that can earn you real money? Real World Asset Crypto Airdrop 2026 is here for you. In Real World Asset Money, you claim 5,000 tokens instantly. VeriVault chain project is currently in its promotional phase and they are giving away 5,000 free tokens to new users. Always remember that early adopters usually benefit most. So this is your chance to get in earlier to earn this real world access. Disclaimer, always do your own research. This is crypto and anything can happen. So in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step of how to register and start farming this project. So register, locate the link in the video description. Do well to click on it and use my referral code to receive this 5,000 token instantly. Once you click on the link, you are going to download the app. So once you download the app, this is the interface. You need to create a wallet. You don't have a wallet yet, so you need to click on create wallet. Now you are going to put my invitation code. I will attach it in the video description as well. So they are going to create a wallet for you. So you tap on this create now. Now set a password to manage your wallet. The passwords can never be recovered, and if you forget the password, you can't reset or re-import the wallet to set a new password. Make sure you are using a password that you are conversant with. Do not use a random password so that if you forget your password, you can't recover it. So make sure you use a password that is very well known to you. So make sure that your password is at least 6 characters. That is what they require, 6 characters. So make sure it's 6 characters. Then you click on continue. So you have to copy your backup, your seed phrase. So once you tap on this logo, you are going to review your seed phrase. Tap on it so that you can copy it and save somewhere. So once you have copied it, you now click on continue. Now they say back up your wallet now. Do you have a wallet to back up? Manually back up. Click on manually back up. Please make sure no one is close and there is no camera or video recording. So you are going to complete your no miss. You know how to do all these things. So once you have clicked on the one they ask you to click, you click on complete. Congratulations on the successful of the backup, I understand. So this is the wallet. You can start using this wallet to trade and to mine free airdrop. Apparently, this price you are seeing here, this dollar price you are seeing here, is still on the airdrop is still on the mining stage. You are going to withdraw once their SVERV is being listed. You are going to withdraw it. Now this 2,500 SVERV is giving me $750. So you need to increase your wallet. You need to increase your airdrop, your mining. So what you are going to do, they have places where you do tasks. Look at the task session. This task session, you tap on it. You need to join their Telegram account. Once you join their Telegram account, you are going to receive 200 SVEV rewards. Once you follow them on their S, you do the same. Join their YouTube, you are also doing the same thing. And after doing it, you are going to receive this SVEV token by doing this task. This is for the task. So this is the airdrop rewards. Once you register as a new miner, you are going to receive 100% reward. That is 5,000 SVERV. For level 1, you are going to receive 400 SVERV, that is 8%. For level 2 referrals, you are going to receive 7%. And for level 3 referrals, you are going to receive 5%. So this is what you need. Once you register and invite your friends, you are receiving higher rewards based on your activities and participation. So if you click on this VVS, this is where the real game starts. This is the staking session whereby you can earn faster without even waiting for the airdrop to launch. You are mining and at the same time you can stake your USDT to receive passive rewards. Now they have Ethereum, you have USDT, and they have Tron. So I'm going to give you the latest necessary things you need to understand about this staking. Now, for you to stake your VSE staking reward, that is monthly feast, the minimum you can stake here is $10 to $499, and you're receiving 6% daily. Now, if you stake 500 to 4,999, you receive 8% daily. If you stake 5,000 or 49,999 USD, you receive 10%. If you stake 50,000, you receive 12%. So this is the team dynamic staking rewards. For level 1, you are going to earn 8%, level 2, 7%, level 3, 5%. So the higher you stake, the higher your reward. This is massive. You are mining airdrop and at the same time staking to earn reward, and the minimal staking cycle is just 5 days. You can withdraw. Decide to choose Ethereum for your staking USDT. The minimum you can stake is $10, and your profit cycle is just 5 days, like I said. Now they also have Tron. If you decide to use Tron, you tap on this Tron, allow it to load. So if you're using Tron, the minimum you can stake here is 100 Tron, and the profit cycle is just 5 days. So how then will you deposit to your platform so that you can start staking? To deposit, you click on this receive here, come on this receive, then you copy your receiving address and go to any exchange and deposit any amount you wish to stake here. Once you deposit it, you are good to go. Then once after depositing, you are going to see it come over to this place. Let's assume you use $10 to deposit to stake. You click on join here. Once you tap on join here, you put the amount of USDT that you have, then you click on join. Automatically you have start staking, and this your staking is going to last for 5 days. You can withdraw it instantly for 5 days and also restake again. This is the fastest way to earn on this project. As you are mining, you still have an avenue to stake and earn more rewards. They have the known pattern reward. This project is full with features. They have the known pattern reward. They have the primary nodes where the reward is 1%. That's requirement is 15 VVS members plus total stake, which is $2,000. That is for the primary node. They have the intermediate node. The reward is 4%. That is, the requirement here is 50 VVS members plus total stake. They have the advanced mode. They have the super node, and they have the honor node. So these are for the node pattern rewards. The higher you invite your friends, you stake on the platform, the more node you achieve. So this project is a legit one. But know this video is strictly for informative and educative purpose. Make your own research before you dive in. This is airdrop and anything can happen. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.